questions for you guys. How many of you are co-founders of over here? Are you facing challenges in your life, day-to-day life? We do, right? Because even I am working at an AI startup, and I do face a lot of challenges in day-to-day life because I forget I have to buy milk, or I forget to walk through the grocery store or buy anything. So there are few challenges in our life which we forget, like few simple tasks which we forget, and that's what my project is about. It's not AI Minder, it's I Minder. So I is it is mom in my mother tongue, and Minder is reminder. So when I was in my home country, my mom used to remind me every simple task. But here I have to manage everything, and sometimes it is hard to keep simple things in my mind. What if making an AI which will remind you your task even while driving? Hey, just add in a task that I have to buy milk. So even if I go to grocery shop, sometimes we write it in a checklist that we have to do this task, but we forget to even checklist it or see or open it. So why not having an AI assistant which we just tell task, will write it down on behalf of you, and will tell you, hey, if it is done, then you don't have any task in your list. So that's what I made, a voice controlled AI assistant using Assembly AI, which do speech to text, text to speech, plus Rhyme, which do speech to text, and on LiveKit agents. So using all these three tools, I used one chat, AI assistant. So I did not get time. Again, I forgot to make a UI. So this is a very simple UI, and it will assist you with all the tasks. Let's say, hey, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. How can I assist you today?
Okay, add buy a milk in my task.
Would you like me to add buy BioMilk as a task?
No, I said buy a milk.
I've added buy milk to your tasks. Anything else you need?
Yes, remind me to do a financial calculations for this week.
Would you like me to add a task for due financial calculation with a due date of 1 week from now?
Perfect, you got me right.
I've added due financial calculation due on November 1st. Anything else?
Okay, now while driving, I forgot what task I have to do. So I can just ask my AI, can you read out the all tasks which I want to do this week?
Here are your current tasks. 1. Buy milk. 2. Do financial calculation due November 1st. Anything else you'd like to do?
Okay, hold on. But I did financial calculations. So mark as financial calculations done.
Just to confirm, would you like me to mark due financial calculation as complete?
Yes, you're right.
I've marked due financial calculation as complete. Anything else you need?
Okay, now tell me what all tasks I have to do this week.
You have one task. 1. Buy milk. Would you like to do anything else?
No, thank you. You're great.
Thank you. I'm glad to help. Have a wonderful day.
So this is what the project is about, using Assembly AI, LiveKit, and Rhyme AI, and just a I or a mother in the other country which can remind you all the tasks without typing or opening the app. You can just tell. She can mark down the list, or she can cut, add, or do stuff on behalf of you. Thank you.